Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover a disabled Facebook account in the US in 2026. So if your account was disabled, restricted, or suddenly you can't log in anymore, this guide will walk you through the full recovery process step by step. First, open your browser and go to Facebook login page or visit Facebook.com. Then try signing in with your email or phone number. Next, check the reason Facebook gives you. It could be policy violations, suspicious activity, or identity verification issues. This helps you choose the correct appeal method. Now go to the official Facebook appeal page and submit a request. So, explain that your account was disabled and you believe it was a mistake. Be clear and honest in your explanation. Facebook may ask you to verify your identity. You might need to upload a government ID, passport, or other official document to confirm your account ownership. After submitting your appeal, you need to wait. Facebook usually reviews accounts within a few days, but sometimes it can take longer depending on the case. Make sure to check your email regularly. Facebook will send updates about whether your account is restored or if they need more information. And that's how to recover a disabled Facebook account in the US in 2026. Once you submit a proper appeal and verify your identity, there's a good chance you can get your account back. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more account recovery and tech troubleshooting tutorials. Hey